Hello, my name is Amber Eccles, and I am the campaign manager for the Ohio River Cleanup. As manager, one of my tasks was to review all the content and visuals used by the campaign, and one of the campaign designers has issued the following poster. Now, there are several issues with this poster. As you can see, it says, "Let's help them clean up," followed by an image of severely malnourished African American children in a dirty river, followed by a tiny little thing that says Ohio River Cleanup Project at the very bottom, enclosed by two celebrities supposedly endorsing the project. There are many ethical issues with this, including visual perception. It's showing that we condone the unethical image of only people who are cleaning up a dirty river can be malnourished African American children. It also presents an unethical issue because we're using this image, probably taken from Google, without any source imaging, which is unethical. We're using that without copyright. And we're also using celebrity images without their authorization to do so, basically misleading the public into thinking that these two celebrities endorse what we're doing and that won't maybe be there or anything like that. That's misleading the public. Rasmussen states that visual images are used daily in the media, and it is important to recognize the ethical boundaries and issues that may occur when choosing these images. So by using this image from Google and not representing where it comes from, we're basically saying that we don't care who created this image, who took this image. We're not giving them any mention, any name. We're basically letting them know, hey, we made this image, which is untrue. By using these celebrity images, we are saying that they endorse something that they may not endorse, and they may get credit for something that they, one, don't want credit for, or they don't want to be expected to show up to an event that they are supposedly quote-unquote endorsing. As you can see here with our edited poster, this clears up a lot of those unethical issues. We have no celebrity images here. At the top, we're stating exactly Ohio River Cleanup Project. Let's get together and make a difference. With the picture, we're showing our source imaging. We're also showing a vast majority of people who with different ethnic backgrounds. There's older individuals. There's younger individuals. There's Mexican American individuals. There's African American individuals. There's a whole slew of ethnicities, races, religions represented, so everyone can see a little bit of themselves in this image. We give proper representation to crew who crafted the image or who shared the image, where we found it. And then at the bottom, we're also telling when the event is, where the event is. We're giving information as to who you can contact if you want help with this event or run this event. We're giving a slew of information that the previous poster lacked. By using the previous image, we're placing a negative impact on social perceptions. We're letting the African Americans seem like they are dirty, and the slogan was used, "Let's help them clean up." Instead, we should all be helping. By using this image, we're saying that everyone is responsible for helping the environment. Everyone is capable of helping the environment. So by using this new image, we are being ethically conscious of copyright laws, of social perception, and basically courtesy to everyone and anyone.